Hello everybody. Today is Wednesday, March the 4th, 2015. My name is Michael Wright and this is the daily moving average video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer, which should be coming up right now. Alright, so let's jump right into the members area. Um, we are in a long ASEAN currently. We got stomped out of the Aussie Kiwi um, move. So we got stopped out of there. And right now we're just in this long ASEAN. Pulled this long off of this Ichimoku setup. This is a moving average video, so I will look at it from a moving average standpoint, but I will look at it from other standpoint as well. But we traded it right off of this setup. We like upside as the pair remains above the Ichimoku cloud, and at that time it was above both the Tenkan and the Kijun. Okay, but looking at the pair currently, okay, this is the Aussie Kiwi we got stopped out of. It made a new low. I'm gonna stay away from the pair for now, but we'll keep a close eye on it in the short to medium term. But on the moving average standpoint, it is above all moving averages, at least the key ones, in my opinion, on the 4-hour time frame. The green line is the 50 period SMA, the blue is the 100, and the pink is the 200 SMA. All right, so we are above all of the key moving averages. At the same time, there's a small little breakout on the top side, but really the key note is we are above all moving averages. We are still holding trend line support, and I do like it for higher levels. Okay, once we pair this, obviously I do like to pair it with other developments. So if we look at it from the Ichimoku, which we took the trade off of, right, we're still above the cloud, and we're looking for higher levels into the 95 zone. But going back to the moving average, really that's the key thing for me, at least, is that is above all key levels, or that we start breaking. So we broke the 50 period back in the beginning of February. Then we broke the 100 period, the middle, and we recently had some choppy price action around the 200, but I still like it above for higher levels. Also, key notice is that there was some momentum divergence here as well, so that obviously paves that bullish standpoint. And target zones, looking obviously for higher levels on the daily time frame. The 50 period is not too far away, is at 94.30, and a break above there will expose the next key upside moving average, which is 96, that 100 period SMA. Alright, so that's key. But also looking at yen pairs, since we are on the topic of yen pairs, couple key notices that actually just looked at. One is the CAD yen. Alright, pairing the CAD yen obviously with all of our systems. Okay, I like this one at least to 99 as well. Okay, CAD yen similar to the Aussie yen, above all key moving averages. If it comes back down, then ideally we'll like longs against this trend line, eyeing 99. We open up the time frame. 99 is that 100 period SMA. Negatively, we did get a 50 period crossover below the 200 SMA, so that's a bearish crossover. That's more of the longer term view, just because we are on the daily time frame. But the last time we got a crossover, see even here, back in July 2014, we had that upside crossover, and you can see even though it came under pressure, this was a bullish upside cross. It came under some pressure, but the longer term view was still to the upside. So ideally, we would like to capture both plays of it, right? Looking to the top side for now, and then eyeing shorts at higher levels where we look to reverse somewhere that 50% fib, just around 99.10. That would be ideal to get short and then play the bigger move, and the bigger move is to the downside. Okay, and also 99, we did note that area. That's 100% into that 102. So this is the key zone, 99 into 102 that we are looking at, and that lines up with that 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement on the recent downswing. So that's this area here is very big. First for the upside move, and then also to look for a reverse and then get short. So ideally the play is something like this. Okay, so let's keep a close eye on that. Again, I'm not in the CAD yen, just taking notice of it. Ideally, if it pulls back though, I will look to get into that trade for the outlook of this magnitude. Okay. So that's the CAD yen. Also, the ASEAN counterpart, which is the Kiwi yen. I'll stay away from now, but 91.90, that's about 100 pips higher. For the ASEAN, we are looking at almost 100 pips higher on this pair into 95, into 96. So be careful of the Kiwi yen. Upside target is not too far away. Actually, it can even reach towards 92. So that gives about 130 pips. Depending on where the overall market is at, in terms of alignment, Kiwi yen, ASEAN, CAD yen, Dalian, etc., I will like shorts at higher levels. Let's see what this trend line aligns with. It aligns with also the 76 fib. Okay. One reason is obviously the trend line resistance. Also, we already had a bearish crossover, the 50 crossing over below the 100 period SMA. Last time we seen that was the upside bullish cross here, and you can see though we had a tumble, we had a new high before prices fell, and divergence is always key. Okay, so same ideal play. A tad bit higher, let's say about 100, 150 pips, and then lower. Same idea point with the CAD yen. So watch out for the CAD. CAD may get some strength, right? That's ideal. And just before we close this out, dollar CAD is still in play. We posted that on the front end. So if you just view technical analysis or even jump into the members area, dollar CAD LE wave setup. Okay, so this was a setup, and this still remains in play. Watch for that triangle break. More details are there, and then I believe this might have been the forex trade setup as well. No, different pair. Alright, but that still remains in place, so it is uploaded, it is in the back end, it is in the front end. So take a close look on that. And then I will probably be making trade setup either on ASEAN and CAD yen. I'll probably do those two, but you guys can expect the forex trade setups to be released somewhere overnight. Alright guys, thank you all for watching the moving average daily video. Please join us in the chat room or shoot us an email at info@globalfxclub.com. Cheers and good luck trading.